What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be making a quick video on how to create an Outlook account, that is creating an outlook.com email account. The first thing you have to do is you have to go over to your Play Store. So once you go over to your Play Store like that, you have to go ahead to search for the Outlook. Just go ahead to search for Outlook. So when you search for Outlook like that, you'll see the app Microsoft Outlook here. So just go ahead to open this app. Once you've opened the app, then you'll be asked to create an account. Okay, and this button here is for adding another account. Let's just click on this button. Since I want to show us how to create a new account, okay, I'll just click on this create new account. We are creating a new Outlook account right now. Okay, I'll be waiting for this page to load. Then you're seeing you can select an account you want to create, if it's an Outlook account or if it's an Hotmail account. Then just go ahead to enter the new email you want to create. Now I want to enter a new email. I'm just going to enter airdrop email YT. So this is the name I want to use for this Outlook account. I'll click on this next button. Okay, isn't available. Then let me just go ahead to change it to this. Okay, so we have to look for a name that is available. You just have to keep on find that. Okay, then let's just go ahead to change this. So let me use my crypto.dad. Let me use this crypto.dad 01. Then you have to create your password. Then you have to click on this checkbox if you want any of them, but if you don't want, just go ahead to click on this next button. So I'll be creating a password right now. Okay, go ahead to enter your first name, your surname, and then click on this next button. Then you have to set your birth date. Just select your country, enter your date of birth details, then click on this next button. Okay, our account is loading right now. Then we have to set a puzzle. We have to move this card to face the direction of this, and you see it's facing the same direction. Once you've done that, click on this submit button. Then you see verification is completed. You've proven that you are human. Okay, so let's just wait for the next page. Okay, I'll click on this OK button. You see, this is the account I just created. Let's really show us on how to create an Outlook account. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.